Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of t where t to the power t is equal to 49. Questions have given t to the power t is equal to 49, or taking ln on both sides we can write here ln of t to the power t is equal to ln of 49, or now we know ln formula. Ln of a to the power b is equal to b times ln of a. This b move here, so apply this formula. We can write t times ln of t is equal to ln of 49. Here we can use Lambert double function. We know that Lambert double function w of a times e to the power a is equal to a, and again we know that e to the power ln of x is equal to x, or apply this formula. This t can be written as e to the power ln of t times ln of t is equal to ln of 49, or now rearranging left sides we can write here ln of t times e to the power ln of t is equal to ln of 49, or now taking Lambert double function on both sides we can write here w of ln of t times e to the power ln of t is equal to w of ln of 49, or now here we will get ln of t is equal to w of ln of 49. We need the value of t, so now here we can write this rule e to the power ln of t is equal to e to the power w of ln of 49. Now apply this formula. Here we will get t, or t is equal to e to the power w of ln of 49. Now here we can use calculator, so the finally value of t is equal to 3.2781, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.